Hi guys, day 13 of live coding messenger copy every day. At least almost every day. So, yesterday I said that yesterday we worked on WebSockets and I said that I will try to understand it out of the camera, but unfortunately I didn't have time for that. So we need to do it now. I think it's maybe even better because like this you will see the whole time how much it takes to learn something and to understand something. So I think that maybe it's better. Okay, so let's not waste time and continue. So we finished. We actually did nothing here, but we did we did offline something. So sockets socket.io. Let me turn on center stage. Cool. Okay, so let's take a look at the code. Yeah, we finished with the routes. Define conversation WebSockets. We have WebSockets. And now, what do we need? Wait, here was somewhere that very nice example. Was this it? Was it? Oh yeah. They even adding position session. Actually, this is even more complex than what we are building. At least now, because for sure I want to add this. Actually, not sessions, but I want to add JWT token, which works something like sessions, but you don't need to store sessions in database this way. And it's almost, oh, I think it has the same security, maybe even better. Okay, third part, persistent messages. Okay, that's what we want as well. They are using sockets for absolutely everything, but I think that you don't need sockets for finding the messages. I mean, I guess they are using WebSockets because we are looking at socket.io, right? But still. Okay, updating sticky. Multiple servers. They are even using multiple servers here. Okay, this is very complex. That's what I was talking about yesterday, that you need Redis for that. But okay, I thought that this is beginner's example, but it looks like it's quite advanced. But I think it's better for us to do it my way, not to copy this exactly. For copying this exactly, you can do it yourself and you don't need to watch these videos. But I think it will be more fun to figure it out ourselves and maybe then compare it. Okay, so we need rooms. Yeah, we need rooms. For that, I need docs. Socket.io rooms. I still don't quite understand how the rooms works. It can be used to broadcast events. Subset of clients. Yes, that's what we want. Note that rooms are server-only concept. You can call join to subscribe the socket to a channel, save room, and then simply use to or in when broadcasting or emitting. And how to dynamically join room. Wait, if I take a look at that example again, they're doing it. Wait, private messaging. They are just using to and not the join. Join client. We are relying on the fact that socket instance automatically joins the room identified by its ID is called for you. So socket to emit private emits to the given user ID. Okay, so we don't need join. We only need to. Okay. Why they are not telling this in unique default room and better unique oh, okay, sorry. Sorry, sockets.io. Each socket automatically joins a room identified by its own ID. This makes easy to implement private messages. Another socket ID. Socket ID message. Simple use case. No. Copy the user ID from header, user join user ID, and then later to again, every socket that is at least in one of the rooms will get the event once. It's two or more rooms. Identified socket. Upon creation, the socket joins the room defined by its own ID, which means you can use it for private messaging. Okay, so it needs to be socket ID. We can't just create some ID. Cool, that's what we want. So it will automatically connect. So we need exactly this. So socket on private message, another socket ID, message. Okay, and can we lock socket ID in the front end? I think we can, right? Wait. Let's test it. Where is a header? Header. Okay, emit. Okay, let's rename it to open conversation. Another socket message. Emit. So socket ID. Wait, another ID. So I need to send sockets ID of each user to the front end. This is bad because I need to join multiple rooms. And they said something like it will be only called one, but no, it's totally different. Wait, I know. Like they said, this is only backend thing. Okay, we need to think in WebSockets. Wait. So fuck, this is hard. Wait. So if I try to emit private message. What? On private message, socket to emit private message. Isn't this loop? Each socket automatically joins. Sorry. Identified. Wait. Actually, this is exactly what we want, because we need from front end I know, I think this is not another socket ID. This is user ID. And we, from the front end, where is front end? From the front end, not socket ID, but user ID. Wait, so I need another user ID. Peter. And ID from Peter is this. This will be available on the front end side. So I want to open conversation with this user, right? And I will send this to the backend. So open conversation, and that's it. We don't want message for now. We want just open conversation. Okay. Okay. We will do it completely differently than they have it. For now we just want conversations. Okay, so let's open conversation, and this is from front-end to backend, and now we need from backend to another backend. I hope so. We have just one backend, but multiple sockets connected to this backend, and we need from in this backend connects to different socket. So we need to find all connected sockets. IO fetch sockets. I want all of them. Isn't it here? Client. Okay, I don't want to just copy it. Let's try to find it ourselves. No, fetch sockets. All sockets. Cool. This is what we need. Fuck. Okay, let's hope that it will work, because I read something that this can't be async. Who knows? Sockets. Now we have all sockets. Now let's loop through them. Socket dot out. No. Handshake dot out dot user yes. dot id. Okay, if user. Okay, then we need user to socket ID, right? And the user to socket ID will be socket ID. Now we need to put it here. Okay, only if it was found. Switch. Okay, this is from Frontend. Now we are emitting it. Fuck. We are emitting it where? To the frontend or backend? Let's. I have no idea why here is socket ID again. No idea. Let's forget their implementation. Let's create our implementation. Message. Okay, I hope that if I understand it correctly, it should display only once. Hopefully. Okay, so I will be clicking from the Katka. So I click here. And nothing happens. One click. What the hell? Oh, okay. Emit open conversation. What the hell? Open conversation. Emit. On open conversation. Nothing is happening. Maybe the issue is with this, all of this. But really it can't be asynchronous. Maybe like this. No. Wait, I know where is problem. OMG. I hit start, so it didn't, instead of dev, so it didn't reload every time I saved this. Now it's working. OMG. Synchronously. Click. But it looks like it's not working. So good. CLG. Open conversation. At least we have Petra and Katka, so at least that is working. Okay, it found the ID. It found it. Socket to emit private message test. Wait, maybe it is emitting to the front end. Let's try it. Let's try it. Private message. Test. Test. Okay, let's try it. Test. Test. It's not working. It's not working. Nothing here, and both user here, which is wrong. Test. Wait. Test. It's working. This test is something else. Yeah, it is something else. Maybe I need to a little bit improve my console log abilities, because this confused me a lot. Okay, so it is sending it on the front end, not like two backend things together. So I don't know what they meant by that it's backend thing. Okay, so this is going to the front end. So we will create database like conversation, and we will send it. But also if they refresh, we will fetch it from normal HTML, not HTML, HTTP request. Okay, I think I'm starting to understand. I'm just a little bit confused, but I'm starting to understand. Okay, so open conversation with user. With what user? With this user. I will change it to username because we have it unique anyway. Yes, I only can have username and it's unique anyway. Yes. Okay, so not ID but name, user name. This will find that socket. But also we need to save it to the database. So in the repo, let's create new function, export const create conversation sync, I don't know, and return await Prisma conversation create data. What data? ID, no. Joiner, yes. Joiner. What else? Maybe I like this type of syntax more, because if this change, it still works. But if it's like this and you change this, then it stops working. Even so, you can write it like this, because if the name is same, you can write it like that. But I prefer this syntax. Okay, so joiner, messages, no messages, owner, okay, owner, what else? Oh, user ID, wait, yeah, ID, how it looks like, joiner, ID. Okay, I didn't want this, but okay. User joiner, owner, and user ID. Like this, it should join automatically. Okay. I don't know, it's string? Yeah, it's string. Wait, what? This is nicer. So create conversation, okay, but we need domain. Okay, let's do it here as well. Const create conversation thing return wait OMG. Wait, I need to do it here. This logic, right? Maybe this is too complex logic for this file. Wait, what I did here? Oh my god. Sorry, I'm tired. Okay. But maybe wait, the username. I'm not sure if I can keep it here, this logic. Sockets. Let's take a look at the example of node practices. Routes, get order, response. It's a shame that they don't have WebSockets in this example. It's super simple. Super simple always. And everything is here, all the logic. So I guess I need to move sockets there. It's weird. Let me think. Sockets. I know. No, I don't. Yes, I know. In the domain, create conversation, I will just call here create conversation. That's it. Yes, that's it. And for that, I need username. Username. And username joiner. Yes. And owner is me. And who am I? I am here, user. Owner. Okay, so I need owner and joiner. owner. Okay, and here open conversation. So const how I did it here. So conver create conversation. Create conversation use case. And here I want username and owner. This will create conversation. And here I want to find joiner. And for that I need get user. But that's weird because then it's not separate. Okay. Login repository. Domain. No. Login. Access. Login. Nice. Login repository. Get user. Username. Wait. Const joiner. Owner ID. User. String. Can it be null? No. I mean, okay. If wait, yeah, it can be null because I need to validate, right? The user. They can write someone who doesn't work. Throw error. Okay, they are throwing errors every time something bad happens. You can do the same thing. So if joiner is dead, then let's wait. Or let's even return conversation. If it's not there, throw error. Status. User not. User found. Okay. This should create conversation with that user. Now conversation is created. Conversation. No. Small c. Now it should find that socket. Open conversation and send the conversation, and if there is some error, for now just console log it. But I think we can do some returning. You can return even in WebSockets. Okay, and on the front end, open conversation, conversation. Oh wait, it should be create or find. Let's keep it simple for now. Okay. So now from the Katka, not found. Okay, user not found for some reason. Not found. Null, null, not found. Why? Oh, no. Why is it null? Open conversation. Emit open conversation. Okay, let's change it to Peter. Emit open conversation Peter. On open conversation Peter. And create conversation with username and owner. Create conversation, joiner and owner. Okay. And now let's try it. Joiner, Peter. Empty object. Why empty object? Conversation. 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 It's promise. Okay, it was a mistake. Let's try again. Okay, conversation was created. That's nice. That's nice. At least something. So let's try it again. From Katka to Peter. I click. Nothing here. And here I have conversation. Yes. Okay. Let's very quickly. Let's very quickly prove it a little bit. Include owner true, joiner true. Okay. Wait, and now when I refresh, it should be here, right? Yes. See, it's working. So let's try to remove it one more time. No, where's Prisma? And let's do optimistic update. At least I think it's called optimistic update. And what that means is we will push to this array what we get from the return. So we don't need to refetch everything. So here on the front end, we need to do this in the list. We actually need only this. In the list. And we need to push stars up conversation list. This. And now it should be pushed once we click. Not here. I will edit here as well for sure, but okay, it's here. It's twice here. Not sure why. It's probably twice because I am not clearing it. Wait, how? Off, I think. On once off, removes, yes, off. Off, open conversation. It should be that. Okay, let's try it one more time. Okay. Click. And it's here. It's working. I'm not sure if it's done correctly. We need to review it next time. Maybe I a little bit overcomplicated it. But at least it's working. And what is really cool, that now when we refresh, it will fetch that latest, but it will fetch all conversations even without WebSockets. But once somebody add us to the conversation, it will be immediately added. That's the power of WebSockets. Nice, that's what I wanted. And now we need to review it next time if I didn't overcomplicate something, because I don't know why, but for me it's so hard to think in WebSockets, and like I said, I'm not backend developer, I'm front-end developer with just some knowledge from backend when I did Java, but when I was doing Java, I never did WebSockets. So this is it for today. I hope you like it. After some struggle, we managed to do it. And wait, what? Again, some issue with OBS. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you liked it and see you tomorrow, and we will for sure review this if everything is correct. Maybe try to Google the best practice for WebSockets and continue, because we need to do much more. Okay, so thanks. Bye.